When the going gets tough, don't be a wimp. And there's nothing wimpier than taking money, real money, out of your pocket when you don't have to. A lot of guys, make that a lot of wimps, are going to do just that when the old garbage disposal conks out. They're going to pay a plumber up to $300 to install an appliance they can buy for as little as $50 and installed in less than an hour. So if you're not a total idiot and you've got a screwdriver and a couple of wrenches, we can show you how to save some real money by doing it yourself. Replacing a disposal is one of the simplest plumbing projects there is. Basically, all you have to do is take the old one out and put the new one back in the same place. Most disposals are built to a universal standard, so everything on the new one lines up with the fittings on the old one. One size pretty much fits all. First, read the directions and turn off the electricity at the circuit breaker. Now, disconnect the electrical connections from the old disposal. You'll need a screwdriver for that. If you've got a dishwasher, disconnect the dishwasher drain from the disposal. Use the pliers on that one. Now, unscrew the support ring that's under the sink at the top of the disposal. Take the old disposal out and reverse the process to put the new one in. You just saved as much as $250. Hey, don't be a wimp. I'm Mike Marshall. Don't be a wimp.